In this video, I'll show you how to find north on Google Maps. Now, if you are in this view, okay, north will always be here on the top, okay? The bottom will always be south. This is how they orient it, okay? The left will always be west, and the right will always be east. But what you can also do is, if I come here and take this orange man, I drag it on the street. This is basically Google Street View. So I'll drag him and drop him right here. And there we go. Now you see a compass right here on the right. It's facing here, right? This is the north. The red part is always north. If you want to readjust it, just go ahead and click on this. And there we go. The compass is facing north and north is in this direction. Okay? There you go, guys. It's really that easy and simple.